iPad gives me an ability to making anything easily. The example, we can change the color and we can zoom in, out, and we can change the view, and after we send in print. Thanks to my iPad, I can supervise them, pause them, and resume them.
In our school, we are using MacBook and iPad to prepare model designing like this one.
3D printing has never been easier, thanks to Apple.